Hey everyone, if your external hard drive, USB flash drive, or portable SSD is running out of space, TreeSize Free can quickly show you exactly what's using your storage. Instead of manually checking folders one by one, you can scan the entire drive and identify the largest files in just a few minutes. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to scan external drives with TreeSize Free. So let's get started. First, connect your external hard drive, SSD, or USB flash drive to your computer. Wait until Windows detects the device and assigns it a drive letter. Before opening TreeSize Free, confirm that you can access the drive normally in File Explorer. Now launch TreeSize Free from the Windows Start menu or your desktop. In most cases, you can scan an external drive without administrator privileges. However, if the drive contains protected folders, running the application as administrator may provide a more complete scan. Once TreeSize Free opens, click the Select Directory button near the top of the window. From the list of available drives, choose your external drive. The scan begins automatically as soon as you make your selection. After the scan is complete, TreeSize Free displays all folders sorted by size. The largest folders appear near the top, making them easy to identify. You can expand any folder to explore its contents and locate the files using the most storage. If you'd like a visual overview, switch to the tree map view. Every rectangle represents a file or folder, and larger rectangles indicate items consuming more storage. This view makes it much easier to spot unusually large files at a glance. Once you've identified the largest files, decide whether to keep, move, backup, or delete them. Focus on old videos, duplicate files, outdated backups, or downloads you no longer need. Always double-check important files before deleting anything permanently. And that's how to scan external drives with TreeSize Free. By analyzing your external storage regularly, you can quickly find large files, reclaim valuable space, and keep your drives organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.